Dear friends, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Medicine. We have seen question bank 5 in gynecology. Here we will see question bank number 6 in gynecology. There are 25 short questions are given here. Very short questions are given here. It can be asked in any form in the MCQ, blank, or match the following true false like that. So it serves the purpose, multi-purpose. Question 1. Period of stress cycle during which the vagino-cervical prolapse is commonly observed in dogs. Important question from clinic's point of view also. Answer is pro-stress. Question 2. Period of pregnancy during which abortion occur in cow due to brucellosis. Important question. Answer is abortion occur in the last trimester of pregnancy in brucellosis. This is very common. The other disease, that is foothill disease, also causes abortion in last trimester of pregnancy, but the occurrence of foothill disease is very, very rare. Question 3. Firmicutes. Important question from clinic's point of view also for the diagnosis of pregnancy. Firmicutes is a vibration palpated during pregnancy on uterine artery. And which artery? Ipsilateral to the pregnant horn in a cow. The word ipsilateral means on the same side of the pregnancy. Uterine artery of the same side of the pregnant uterus. Question 4. Characteristic signs of follicular cyst. Important question. The animal shows the signs of continuous stress, nymphomania, and any stress signs. Question 5. Main functions of epididymis of testis. There are many functions, but here I have asked main functions. The function of epididymis are maturation of the sperm. The sperm stay here, stored here for some time. There is maturation. Then they are transported outside, and if required, there is concentration of sperm in the epididymis. Question 6. Number of carbuncles present in uterus of Eve. In domestic animal, the uterus have carbuncles. Answer is 88 to 96 carbuncles in the uterus. Roughly about average 90 carbuncles in the uterus. Question 7. Name the conditions where cow is treated with estrogen. Estrogen has multi-actions, but estrogen is useful for the treatment of certain disease conditions. The important conditions are estrogen is useful for the treatment of retention of placenta, estrogen induces contraction of uterus, and helps in expulsion of the placenta. Estrogen is used in the treatment of postpartum metritis. Estrogen causes contraction, involution of the uterus, and it helps in throwing out the infected and dead material outside. And estrogen is also useful in the treatment of prolonged stress. Question 8. Basophil cells of anterior pituitary secretes For your information, anterior pituitary gland has two types of cells, basophil cells and acidophil cells. Here we are talking about the hormones secreted by basophil cells of the anterior pituitary. Answer is adrenocorticotropin ACTH, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, and gonadotropins such as follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone FSH and LH. These are the hormones secreted by basophil cells. Important question. Question 9, similar question. Acidophil cells of the anterior pituitary secretes. The answer is secrete growth hormone GH or somatotropic hormone STH and prolactin PRL. Important question. Question 10. What is photoperiodism? Important question. The word photo means light. Period means duration. Period of light. What is that? It has an effect on reproductive or sexual cycle. Answer. Photoperiod affects reproduction in the seasonal breeders through changes in melatonin secretion by pineal gland. So this photoperiod affects the sexual cycle, estrous cycle, and other things also. Question 11. Name the domestic animal. Here we are talking about domestic animal in which sexual activity and reproductive cycle is influenced by photoperiodism. Just a similar thing we have asked as in question 10. Here answer is reproduction of animals such as horse, sheep and goat are influenced by photoperiod effect. Question 10. Position of 5 to 6 month pregnant uterus in a cow. Important question. Answer is the fetus or a pregnant uterus in a cow is well forward in the pelvic cavity. Now it is not in a pelvic cavity because the uterus is large enough and heavy weight. So it is gravitated downward in the abdominal cavity, forward from the pelvic cavity and downward in the abdominal cavity. Question 13, very simple question. PMSG, pregnant mare serum, derived from, what is the source? Answer, PMSG is derived from serum of pregnant mare. Important question from clinic's point of view. Question 14. More frequent collection of the semen from male leads to, if the owner or doctor working in the EI center collects the semen more frequently, what will happen? Answer is the male yield poor quality semen. So semen should be collected twice or thrice in a week, not more than that. Otherwise, the semen quality will be poor. Question 15. Name the hormones required for synchronization of estrus. Important question. Certain managemental practices require that estrus should be synchronized in a big farm. The answer is the hormone required for synchronization of estrus are estrogen, progesterone, and relaxin. Question 16. Vibratory tremors felt on uterine arteries for the detection of pregnancy is called as, what is the name of that vibratory tremors felt on uterine artery from clinical diagnosis of pregnancy is very important. Answer is Phremetus. That a vibratory tremor felt on uterine artery of the same pregnant uterus is called as Phremetus. Frequently asked question. Question 17. Reasons for less volume of ejaculation of semen in a bull. Answer is seminal vesiculitis, partial ejaculation, and frequent use of bull for semen collection leads to less volume or poor quality of the semen. Question 18. Name the common metabolic disease that occur during late pregnancy and or within few days after parturition in which? Very common question, very important from the clinician point of view, frequently occurring. The name of disease is eclampsia, commonly occurring in the late pregnancy or after parturition. And the reasons are, or the biochemical changes are, hypocalcemia and or hypoglycemia. Both hypocalcemia and hypoglycemia or any one condition. Any one condition. Important question. Question 19. The most convenient method used for collection of semen of large number of rams. Important question. It is frequently used. Answer is an electric probe, or name of instrument is electroejaculator, is inserted into the rectum and positioned against the prostate. It will stimulate the sex organs and cause the ejaculation. Important question. Question 20. Functions of estrogen during pregnancy. There are many functions. Important functions are, answer, increase growth of the uterus. Important because as the pregnancy occurs, the growth of uterus is also required as per the growth of the fetus. It increases the musculature at the same time vascularity of the uterus also. It increases the contraction of uterus at parturition and it causes relaxation of cervix at parturition. So when relaxation occur and contraction of uterus occur, there is parturition. Question 21. Name the chemicals of egg yolk that, that protect the sperm in the semen. We are using egg yolk as an extender in semen. Which are the chemical in the egg yolk that gives the higher sperm motility and better movement characteristics and protect the sperm also? The answer is the cryoprotective effect of egg yolk LDLs in extensors on bull spermatozoa are due to chemicals phosphatidylcholine and phosphatidylserine, which protect the sperm and give the better motility characteristics. Question 22. Interval between parturition and conception, successful conception in cow is also known as important question. It is known as open interval or days open. To measure the breeding efficiency of a herd, this parameter is very important. Important question. Question 23. Name the hormone released on Ferguson's reflex at parturition in cow. What is Ferguson's reflex? We will see in question number 25. Answer is the hormone released is oxytocin on Ferguson's reflex at parturition in cow. Question 24. Very important question. Quick screening field test that is performed in the field for the diagnosis or screening of the brucellosis. Answer: rapid plate agglutination test or rapid slide agglutination test that is performed on the plate or a slide, or Rose Bengal plate test. The famous name is RBPT. Important question. Last question 25. What is Ferguson reflex? Ferguson reflex is also called fetal ejection reflex. This three-word fetal ejection reflex is the answer of Ferguson reflex. Let us see the full answer. The answer is it is a neuroendocrine reflex, both hormonal as well as nervine reflex, consisting of a self-sustaining cycle of uterine contraction. That means it start the contraction of uterus when at the time of parturition. Who initiate? Initiated by pressure at the cervix or vaginal wall. There is pressure at the cervix or vaginal wall caused by fetus when the fetus grows fully, and at the time of parturition it causes pressure at the cervix or vaginal walls, and that induces a neuroendocrine reflex, and that leads to a parturition. So that reflex is called as fetal ejection reflex or Ferguson reflex. Dear friends, share this important information, important questions to our veterinary brothers, and to promote the channel, requested to subscribe this channel, and thank you very much for observing this video. Thanks.